Most people cannot meditate unless they exhaust the karma of activity within themselves. The prarabdha karma is like a coiled up spring. It has to find its release. If you don't give it constructive work, it will find release in all kinds of perversions. It is like a coiled up spring. Within this lifetime, it has to release itself. And considering all the risks that are there to physical life, your physical form is never really safe. Any moment it can get crushed under something. Considering that, prarabdha is anxious. Prarabdha is always trying to find the quickest possible expression. So when you have a tense spring sitting inside you, you cannot. You sit there for half an hour, then you want to do so many things. Have you noticed this? You sit for meditation, you sit like this, body tells you this is not the asana. You sit like this is not the asana. Sit like this is not the asana. Try any goddamn asana, it'll tell you this is not it. Have you tried? Try to sit there for 3-4 hours, then you will see what it is. So, this is simply because there is a coiled up stuff, it has to find its way. So the best way is to get into that kind of activity, it'll wear you out. By the time you go to bed, if you put your head even 2 inches before it touches the pillow, you're dead. Really. So it's very important that the karma or the energy that is allocated for activity is expended as quickly as possible, so that stillness becomes a reality, not just an idea.